Okay, Python 6S. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit too much power. This thing hammers. Holy crap. This thing goes. I did stiffen up my front shocks a little bit. I felt that they were sagging and I was getting a bit too much kick up on the rear. So, well, it is waterproof. So I did, that's the only change I've done from the 4S run. Just winded the shock collars down just a little bit. All right, let's go the other way. Let's go clockwise this time. Woohoo! Man, this thing not shy on power. Yeah, you just still gotta be careful. It's still squirrely on the corners. It will oversteer on you very quickly if you're not careful. So you have to be really gentle turning in. If you wind it out too quick, you'll spin out on you just like that. So, yeah. All right, let's take on some jumps. Okay. Can we hit the ramp? Can we create some chaos here? Holy! That almost docked in the NASA space station for a second. Oh, miss! That's a miss! Jesus, the airtime out of that first jump was insane. Jesus! Oh no! Oh, bugger. Alright, here we go. One more time. Let's see if we can line this guy up again. Man, this thing launches. The tree! Oh! Oh, that's it. We've killed it. Something bad's happened. It landed upside down. Okay, so unfortunately I have managed to kill the Python. As you can probably, or you might not be able to tell yet, but that rear shock tower is facing backwards a little bit. And I noticed that I didn't have drive. I don't have drive because the dog bone's missing from the back here. That's fallen out. And the reason why that's tilted backwards is because when it landed upside down, it kinked the chassis in reverse. So you can see the bend there. I thought maybe the pinion had fallen out or something, but no. That was a nasty, nasty landing. Yeah, unfortunately I'm not going to be able to fix the car here. I have other cars that I need to run, and this one had a very short run on 6S, but man was it fun. I got to clean it up. I will straighten the chassis. I will put the dog bone back in, and we will come back another time. Oh, also I did break the front body post, so that little pin has actually snapped off there, as I'm hoping my camera will focus in on that so you can see that's the front body post there. So it's just a little piece that's broken off from in there somewhere. I'll try and get a replacement part, and I'll fix the car, clean it up, and come back another time to finish this 6S run, or perhaps just do another one. But I'll tell you what, I mean, that was a nasty, nasty landing. The battery tray's a little loose now as well from landing upside down. Obviously that's not intentional, that's just me messing up. And yeah, it's done well. It's done well. Respect for this one. It will be back, and I'm pretty sure I can put a full battery through it. Hopefully when there's no puddles in this BMX track, and we can actually get some decent launches off those jumps without landing in a lake. But I'm going to leave this one here, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, I'll be speaking to you all next time.